Ever feel stuck trying to grow your account, no matter how many strategies you try, if nothing seems to be working? This video is just what you need today. I will share the approach that helped me break through and can transform your results as well and multiply your capital 10 or 100 times. I have 13 in my account and I show how much you can earn in 10 or a few minutes of work. I've got an exclusive surprise waiting just for you. Stick around until the end of the video, you won't want to miss it. Guys, want to take a look to set up your account, so I choose the chart types, select classical candles with 5 seconds on period, time frame. Okay, right now we're gonna use Bollinger Bands to get our RSI. First, let's set up the Bollinger Bands, 25 on period, 2.5 on deviation. And the style, let's use 2 on thickness for all the colors and click on save. Right now to the RSI, let's use 10 on periods and the same thing. 2 on thickness on the colors and click on save. I show the settings very quickly. Alright, just click on it. Guys, remember, this is just one strategy can revolutionize your path in this market. So truly become a pro, mastering the most lucrative strategy is crucial. But don't worry, I've got 2 exclusive pieces on the content lineup for you that are essential for growth. Stick with me to the end of the video and enjoy it. Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategies that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join, alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. The time for the trade is gonna use 10 seconds and amounts $6. Trade for sale using the red button. Press the red button and start the trade session. Yeah guys, I have already done analysis of this situation. Now I want to explain in detail how to work with these indicators. It was secret you need to know. As you can see, my first trade has already made a profit. And I quickly open it and no one-on-one. But one more. Yeah guys, that's what is interval based. And before you can make a profit very quickly, first you need to find a situation when candles just break the Bollinger Bands channel from above or below. So here I see how the green candle broke the upper green bottom for a few seconds, and we have this red candle. It just starts with this downtrend. After I sell this and check this very side line, I open trades in the same direction. Yeah, that's every side line should duplicate the moment of the candles and break the upper limit for a while. As you can see, this happened. So the signal switched me and I stayed here. To work in this first signal, you need to open from 2 to 5, maybe 7 trades. It's up to when I interval. Here I open at only 2 and look at this. All the signals made a profit. Yeah guys, $24 of profits with 20 seconds of entry of operations. It's a very cool result for a start. So let's try it again. One of the challenges in this strategy is to find the right entry points. Many beginners, include me, could not open tree correctly at first. For example, here I see that candle broke the Bollinger Bands channel and started moving out. But the signals go against me right now. Look at this. And I lose this. Yeah guys. In this case I will open a few more trades because most likely start work early and the correction will begin only now. Yeah, the second trade is going well, so let's wait. Oh yeah, so one more again. Okay, I see the situation is not stable, it's dangerous. Guys, before it's better to end the trade and look for something else. It's a real problem because it's difficult for beginners to understand when to continue trading and when it's better to stop. Look at this, one more profits. And the best solution is just open 2 or 3 trades in any situation. Yeah guys, with that strategy, it's make no sense to open only on trades. It's better to reduce the amounts to open 3 or more trades. This way we'll get more chance and get more profits. The last trade wasn't profit for me, but here I found a very strong signal. Look at this, I opened trade only after zero correction, and I completely sure the candles have returned to the channel and the reverse movement has begun. Look at this, let's call, my friends. The logic is the same. I open trades, wait for the results, and open another one. Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it. Then repeat a roll process. If the signal is strong, then you can open 2 or 3 trades. It's very simple rule. That will help you keep account profitable and not make stupid mistakes. And look at this, another one. But even if you have caught a loose strike, this not means that the strategy is bad. Most likely you were in luck or you got in bad market condition. Just take a break and come back again later. Okay? I know this is one bad day, but it's helping a lot. In general, that strategy is really profitable if you learn how to use it correctly. Only practice will help you. So try this. Okay? Remember that. Guys, look at this. I make over $58 net profits right here. Look my balance. It's really very simple and give good results. More than 4 or 5 earning in a few minutes with almost risk. So try and write your opinion in the comments. It's very interesting for me. So right now, good luck and see you on the next one. Bye bye guys. See you.